Hello students. It's a very happening moment right now because there has been an updated syllabus regarding a 10 standard SSC board exam. Last time 25% of your syllabus was reduced by the state government, but again yesterday, that is, your government of Maharashtra has updated the syllabus for your 20 and 20 of the year this year. So those students who are giving the SSC board exam currently, there is a reduction of the portion, and a great news is coming up, that is your chapter number 7, mensuration has been completely removed from your syllabus. I repeat again what I am saying. Chapter number 7 from the geometry, mensuration has been completely removed from your syllabus. No question of chapter number 7, that is mensuration, coming up for your this year's syllabus. Now let's see what are the changes that has been made. Also in the other chapters, like you have similarity, you have Pythagoras, circle you have. So let's see what are the changes that has been made. Okay. So if I scroll it down, you can see the index of your chapter. Okay. Now, as you can see, chapter number 7, mensuration, this has been completely removed. Okay. There will be no question coming up from this chapter. Coming back to the chapter number 1, that is your similarity. Okay. In the similarity, come to the page number 8. Okay. Directly you can come to page number 8. Now, when you come to the page number 8, you will see property of angle bisector. Okay. Completely removed. Next page, page number 9, completely removed. Page number 10, okay, it has been completely removed. Now from page number 11, example 3 and example 4 are removed. Okay, that has been reduced from your syllabus. Okay, after that, page number 12, example number 2 has been removed. Page number 13, completely removed. Okay, completely, that means your activity kind of thing. And from the practice at 1.1, sorry, 1.2, question number 1 is removed. Question number 2 is already there in the syllabus, but on page number 14, your question number 3 is removed from the practice at 1.2. Example number 5 is also removed. 6, 7 removed, 8, 9. Okay, these are examples that have been removed. Page number 15, you will get example number 11 from the exercise 1.2, completely removed. Okay. After that, come directly to the practice at 1.3. Okay, nothing is removed. 1.4, nothing has been removed. Directly coming to the problem set 1. Okay, when you come to the problem set 1, okay, page number 28, you will see a question number 8 which has been removed. Okay, question number 9 which has been removed again. Question number 10 nikala hua hai. Clear? So these are the all things that has been removed from your chapter number 1, that is similarity. Okay, coming back to the page, second chapter, that is a Pythagoras. And when you come to this Pythagoras chapter, directly come to page number 40. Okay, directly come to page number 40. Now when you come to the page number 40, okay, you can delete the whole page. Okay, the whole page has been reduced. 41 is reduced. Okay, 41 पूरा निकल गया है. 42 is removed. Okay, so page number 40, 41, 42, also 43, exercise 2.2 is been removed completely, all 5 examples. Coming back to problem set 2, chapter number 2, okay, Pythagoras theorem, page number 44, example number 6, okay, completely removed. Example number 8 is removed, 9 is removed, 12 is removed. Okay, so these are examples that has been removed from your syllabus. Also, when you come to the page number 46, example number 17 and 18 is also removed. Clear? Now, chapter number 3, circle. For chapter number 3, you directly come to, I guess it is page number 75. Okay. Come directly to page number 75. Yes, directly come, when you come directly to the page number 75, you will see a topic, theorem of angle between tangent and secant. Okay, completely removed from your syllabus. Okay, the full page you can remove. Page number 76 is also removed. Page number 77 completely removed. Page number 78 completely removed. Okay, 79 is removed. 80, 81, 82. So till page number 82, from 75 to 82, all pages has been reduced. Okay, I repeat, from page number 75 to 82, all pages has been reduced. Now coming back to page number 83, problem set 3, you can remove the question number 7. Okay, sorry, from the question number 1. Okay, you can remove the 7th question. Next is page number 84. When you come to page number 84, nothing is removed. 85, nothing is removed. Okay, now directly come to page number 87. 87, you will see a question number 13. You can remove that one. Question number 15 you can remove. Question number 16 you can remove. 18 you can remove. 22 you can remove. 24 you can remove. So all these questions, okay, has been removed from your syllabus, okay, which I have crossed. Now chapter number 4, that is a geometry construction. From geometry construction, it's a great news, nothing has been reduced. That whole chapter you have to solve as it is, all the examples, all the practice set and the problem set you have to perform as it is. There is no reduction from chapter number 4. Got it? Coming directly to chapter number 5. Okay, chapter number 4 we don't have any reduction. So coming directly to chapter number 5. Okay, that is your coordinate geometry. Now when you come to the coordinate geometry, okay, you can directly come to page number 116, okay, 116. So directly come to page number 116. Till 116 you are having all the things that is included in your syllabus. There is no change in the syllabus. Okay, your syllabus is reducing from the page number 116. Okay, here slope of a line, you can see your topic. Okay, you can remove the topic slope of the line, this table kind of thing, and the whole page from the 117. Okay, 118 you can remove. 119 also you can remove. 120 complete page is removed. 121. Okay, so from page number 117 to page number 121, everything is removed. I repeat, page number 117 to 121, everything is removed. And also on page number 122, you are having example number 6, 7 and 8 which are completely removed. Now coming back to the page number 122, in question number 1 you are having question number 4 completely removed. Question number 2 is completely removed. Okay, after that page number 123, question number 9, 10 and 12. Question number, okay, page number 123, question number 9, 10 and 12 are removed completely from your syllabus. Okay, coming back to the next chapter, that is trigonometry. Okay, let's see what are the things that has been removed. For trigonometry, you can directly scroll it down to page number 132. Okay, directly come to page number 132. On page number 132, you will see something like this. Application of trigonometry. Okay, it is completely been removed. Now I repeat, what are the things that has been removed? Page number 132 to 137. Okay, has been completely deleted. Okay, so this is page number 132. You can remove that one, cross it. 133 whole page you can cross it. 134 whole page you can cross it. 135 it is complete page. 136 again a complete page, and 137 again a complete page along with the exercise. Exercise 6.2 is also not there for your exam. I repeat, okay, from the page 132 to 137 you don't have anything for your syllabus. Clear? Coming back to the last chapter, mensuration, I was talking about this. Okay, and as I gave the news that the government has reduced the syllabus, this chapter particularly mensuration, guys, okay, it has been completely removed. You don't have to attend a single problem, a single topic from this chapter. Mensuration is completely removed from your syllabus. It's a great news coming up from the government. Okay, so a little bit headache of your side has been removed. Also one more thing, I'll be uploading a PDF file of this things that has been removed so that you can easily cross verify what are the things that has been cancelled if you are not comfortable with the video. Okay, so I'll be uploading a PDF file. Looking at the PDF file, you can also cancel what are the things that has been reduced. Okay, more updates coming up on the channel. Okay, stay tuned, please subscribe to the channel guys. Okay, bye bye.